financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, yeah, let's go over today what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. Yeah, it was a wild day. I can't even complain. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. I'll be right there. So yeah, today was great. I could do some dance moves or something. I don't know, but yeah, I can't complain today. 1 second here. I do want to tell the team members we're on live too as well. And yeah, let's go over today what I saw, what happened, and yeah, let's do it. So yeah, 1 second here, 1 second here. I'm gonna pull up the live stream, and also I'm gonna tell the team members we're on live here. Yo, everyone, good to see you guys. So yeah, crazy day. It was an amazing day. Hold on, I'm pulling up the other chat too as well. So once I pull this up, we'll be good. All right, yeah, we'll pull it up. All right, so today, I don't know why my stream is so blurry. Is it me or is my stream like very, very blurry? I may have to restart it. Hold on, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna restart this. It looks really blurry right here. Hold on, is it blurry? Or is it just my screen? I'm trying to figure that out. Yo, Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. I'm trying to figure out why my stream looks blurry on the camera. Give me a second here. Yo, Jake, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. My hands aren't blurry, I don't think, but I think only my screen is. It's all good, no worries. Maybe let me clean this 1 second here. 1 second. I don't know why. Open is exploding. Yo, Jake, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. All right, so we'll go over today. Today was a great day. I can't even complain. Very, very amazing day. And here's pretty much it. All right, looks good. Okay, cool. All right, thanks. I just needed someone to say it looked nice. It looked decent. All right, SOFI finally getting this empty space moved down. So obviously still a lotto for me. As you can see, we do have this empty space that I'm targeting. Looks like we did end up getting this nice rejection into this empty space here. So if we can potentially continue, I do want to see if we can hit this, the 2403 area. So yeah, it looks really good. So that is on SOFI. Cool, yeah, I like that a lot. So SOFI, that's there. I'm gonna fix this a bit. And then, yeah, we're gonna go to a couple other trades too as well. So I'm still waiting on the Qs. QQQ looks great. I'll go over the ones that we ended up hitting today as well. QQ, this is what I'm waiting for. So let's just go ahead and get rid of these boxes so you aren't confused on what I'm looking at. But what I'm seeing is this. And this looks really good to me. Yo, hold on, give me a second. Just hold on, give me 1 second. Shout out to all the members. We had a crazy day. First off, foremost, you can see what a few of the members ended up doing. AEO, our biggest trade of the day. Obviously, Walmart was amazing too. Shout out to Ty. Shout out to all the other members. Yeah, it was a wild day. So Walmart, we'll go over it. You can see what one member did there. 300% on that play. So yeah, you can see same entries, same plays each and every day. We don't change anything at all. Before, the aftermath, if it wants to load. So yeah, you can pretty much see how we got into the plays, what we were looking for, and yeah, ended up working out great. So we'll go over it. And I'm going to pull up all these other trades here. So what? So honestly, CLF, we'll take a look there. I'm going to keep SOFI up though, so I will keep that up. So I do want to see how that'll play out. Open, so yeah, we'll look at open too as well. But yeah, crazy day, crazy day. So, oh wow, open did great. So yeah, what I see here, it looks like we ended up going to my first and my final TP. So yeah, we ended up having a nice break above our top wall. We touched that imbalance first, and then yeah, we ended up going into that empty space. So that final target was hit for me, that 569 area. Like I'm saying, so I do remember going over this actually. So yeah, we still have, so there's just nothing stopping us above that 569, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, if we get above there, we could potentially try this empty space here. So a little bit more of a pocket there that we could potentially go into. We would need that 573 break though. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. But yeah, honestly, you know, we look for the same plays each day. I get it. Hold on. If it'll load, that'd be great. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second here. Yo, shout out to Put Bros Media Guy. Media Guy just came through with another podcast short there. So you should go watch that. Also, see what we just did today. So there's nothing to lie about. AEO, you could see, end up calling out Amazon. Beautiful. I can't even. Yeah, it's been a wild day. So, my bad. I know I'm still yapping. I know I'm still going crazy, but yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything here. And dude, I didn't even get my water yet, so I still didn't get that yet. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm gonna like all of this. So I'm still very excited about today. So, all right, QQQ looking pretty decent. All right, we'll go over that. CLF and CLH. All right, yeah, we'll go over this too as well. All right, so same thing in the Discord. I will keep an eye on this if we can get it. All right, CLF, let's take a look. Ooh, that 2 hour looks great though. I do want to go to a possible 4 hour, 24-hour chart, see if there's anything here. And if there's not anything on a higher time frame, then yes, I do go to a lower time frame. Hold on 1 second. All right, so 24 hour, don't see anything. I do want to see maybe a 4 hour. 4 hour actually looks really decent. So there is a nice little POTTERBOX that doesn't look bad. Nice top wall there. Beautiful bottom wall here. So what I'm seeing, what I like is if we can get this nice break above the top wall here, we do have empty space up to this 1080. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Of course, clear gap down. All of these red candles. This is what I would want to the upside. So right now, yeah, it looks good, it looks great. But I do want to see if we can potentially still get that move there. So yeah, like I said, still inside the box, waiting for that nice little break. All right, cool, cool, cool. To the downside, maybe, hold on. Maybe on the downside if we, let's see. So I do see a little pocket there, like, so yeah, this could be a nice box. So something very small, nothing crazy. Maybe under that 1007 area is what I'm seeing for that little gap there. So yeah, you know, same exact trade. It doesn't look bad, doesn't look terrible. So yeah, we'll just have to see. Dang, wow, all our trades did great. Honestly, obviously, yeah, SOFI is the only one that's giving us some trouble. But yeah, we'll keep on going here. So let's see. I'm a trading machine. Dude, yeah, it's been a wild day. So I can't even complain. You can see the entries we got in. Shout out to all the members. This is in the VIP Discord. Almost 500% on that trade. So I didn't get into snow, but I'm pretty sure we went over it. But Walmart ended up calling that out. Look at that. Beautiful. And yeah, this is all this morning. Just today, just like, what, 20 minutes ago. One of the other members. Are you kidding me? Walmart. So shout out to all the members. It's been a wild day. You can see the setups we ended up calling out, and they ended up working out great. You can see I'm focusing on that higher time frame. If we can, you know, get more entries, which I'm waiting for a couple swings actually. So yeah, this is swing trading. This is why we wait. We waited for these trades, ended up getting in finally. This morning we got those entries. So you can easily see, and hold on, some of the members didn't even post it, but yeah, sorry Lawnmower, if you're in here, sorry, but he said, so my calls yesterday at 200%, then end of day, picked up a couple. You can see what he did there in the VIP chat. And as you can see, we posted all the setups. This was yesterday. Walmart, this was just yesterday. Obviously, you can see we posted AEO. Sorry, I can't even talk right now. But yeah, beautiful trades, higher time frame. That's what I'm looking for. Put Bros, Marvel 2 times is the move for the next day or two. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look at Marvel. Open just blasted through that wall. Did it? All right, yeah, I'll pull that up and then we'll go over these other trades too as well. So yeah, I'm looking for a couple more entries. QQQ is crossing now. All right, hold on, guys. QQQ flirting with this wall here. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Swing trading, yeah, honestly, swing trading. I will say, I love my day trades. You know, when I do catch my day trades, like, you can see what what we do here, like what. So, obviously, you know, those the day trades, but the swing trades, I will be honest, yeah, they do offer me a lot more. You can even see what the members are saying about that too. All right, so what? QQQ, let me look at the 574. Let's see. Hold on, let's see. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any position, so please do your own research before doing anything. Yo, Kent, yeah, it was amazing games, bro. You can probably hear it in my voice. I'm still a little shaky from this morning, but yeah, that yeah, it's been wild. So I can't even complain for sure. All right, so hold on. $572s. 574s aren't bad either. 572s aren't terrible though. Did you do CLA? Yeah, I think I did, but oh, actually no, I didn't. So I lied. After this, I'll see how this ends up reacting here. Do want to see if we can go into this empty space, which looks really good. Also, 1 minute on that 5-minute candle there. You don't have to look at Marvel, it's just what I'm doing. Yeah, dude, yeah, no worries. Honestly, you know, I always will play Marvel if there's an entry, just out of the respect of it. if you know what I mean there. So yeah, I do want to see at least we can get some lower time frame close too as well. That would be great. But yeah, there is an empty space. So this is what I'm seeing. We do have this clear gap down, no consolidation. If we can get this break above, it looks good. So yeah, we'll have to see. All right. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, so sellers are in control of this level right here. So, I at least wanted to see some sort of like clear break above the stop level, at least on the 5-minute, which we couldn't end up getting. Hold on. Now I'm going to do that. So 5-minute close right, just literally right at it. So I do want to see if we can get a nice close above. Or, I mean, if we end up holding above, I will try starter. Just because we did good, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, so I will keep an eye on this. CELH, let's take a look. This is where I start. It's like, dude, it's like, man, just hurry up and go. Like, I think we hit what? Almost. I think we almost can get it. We're right there, but if sellers end up gaining this control, yeah, we may end up getting that drop. And yeah, it's not selling anyone to get into any plays, any positions. So please, please do your own research. Actually, doesn't look bad. Actually, doesn't look terrible. And you know, if I do try a starter, and if I take an L on it, I really don't care because of what we did today. Hold on, let's see. Q's got me. Need it to drop. So yeah, we'll have to see. I feel like we're still stuck in this range really, like right now. I need like a strong break. That's what I'm looking for. Or yeah, I definitely won't enter. I'm not in yet. But yeah, if you know, so I'll set alert again. But yeah, you can see what we did here, the trades that we end up having. Crazy, wild. You can even check. Just scroll through. Shout out to Leah. Leah's actually in the chat right now, so you can see what she did. 230% on that. Shout out to another guy there. Beautiful. 300%. Shout out to my guy Wyatt. He was one of the first ones that posted this morning. This is what he did. You can see all the other members. You can even talk to them. I get it. Yeah, if one trade doesn't work, cool. I don't care. But you know, when we do hit those trades, you can see why I don't care if I take an L. Because once we get those trades, this is what I'm looking for. This is what the team and I are looking for. And yes, we post all positions inside of the Discord. So what? We posted Walmart, we posted a couple other ones, even Tesla here. But that was, you see, yesterday, posted it in the morning. We end up getting in AEO. You see, we post this end of day for that nice swing. We end up getting in. End up hitting those targets there. All right, so we'll have to see. Sunray is my backup. So yeah, Leah, I figured that. I was like, I think I remember now. What crypto to invest in? Oh, so yeah, I'm not doing crypto right now. So we're just doing option plays. So yeah, in my Discord we mainly do options. We wait for our setups, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So swings did amazing. Beautiful day. So yeah, I can't complain at all. You can see it is great also seeing, you know, the other members. This morning, one member made over $1,000 off of that. He said himself, over 110% just on that. See that 300% there? Yeah, so it was a wild day. The only play that isn't showing me any love is SOFI. All right, so the Qs, nothing there yet. Let's go over CLH. I got you, Jose. 1 second here. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat, the VIP chat. Honestly, join the free chat. Talk to the members. Ask them what we do here. You can see, and yeah, you can, you know, talk in the free chat there. Talk to them. You can even see what just yesterday. Not him, not the dude in the bed sleeping and smiling at his phone, but he said thanks. Also yesterday, and boom. Nice. All right, so Gotta have a burner account for sure. Dude, yeah, it's been crazy day. All right, so anyways, CELH. Okay, I think I do remember going over this. So, I will say that there is empty space under us. But, okay, so this is what I like. Personally, this is something that I would love to take. But I will be completely honest, this bottom wall is not a perfect box here. So, yeah, we do have the empty space under us. But I will say, this is not enough structure for me. So if I did end up taking this one, it will be more of a lotto for sure. Or a smaller entry. But yeah, if we can get it, it looks great. It looks good. So that's what I'm seeing. That is on CLH. Looks great. Alright, so where are the Qs at? Hold on 1 second. Let's see where the Qs are. Alright, so just waiting on there. See if we can get that. Looks really good. Alright, yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'm really, like, dehydrated. You can see this Walmart play we ended up cashing today, which led some of the members to cash these entries there. But, yeah, I'm going to get some water. Maybe I'll grab a soda this time. We'll see. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. 1 second here. And yes, please do your own research if you do plan on joining the Discord. Remember, not financial advice. Alright, yeah, 1 second here. Yo, I'm here, guys. I'm here. All right, so wait, did he leave to get water? Yo, Myra, what's up? Yeah, I left to get some water. I got some, I don't know. I got it in a jug today. So no beautiful glasses right now. Been a good day. Dude, yeah, Glock, I'm going to pin that comment. So yeah, it's been a great day. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Took one profit. Oh, fire. I'm going to pin that. Queese, yeah, keep up the great work. So, yeah, this was a call out from yesterday. You can see this was in the morning. This was from yesterday. Obviously, I wanted to swing it, which we did. You can see where we were, where we're at. So, we're at my first TP. But I will say, if we can grab that 102, though, so if we can somehow finish this 102, Oh yeah, I definitely will enjoy that for sure. So yeah, it looks good. It looks decent. Maybe if it does happen, obviously, if we reject, that's cool. I'm not gonna cry about it. You can see we claimed most of it already. So you can see Walmart. You can see we caught this with the Discord. Caught this with a few of the team members. It's the queues. So yeah, you can see also the other trades that we end up getting in. AEO. All right, looks like the keys are trying again. Ooh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty nice. All right, hold on. Give me a second here. Did I get into BABA? Dude, so I had it up the whole time, but I didn't get in. I think I was trying to take profits, and I got into another play. So yeah, I did see it, and I was looking at it pretty much the whole time. But no, I didn't get into it. At least not right now. Or at least not then. Alright, so dang, we can't even get a close, bro. Can't even get like some type of lower time frame close. So I'm looking for a lower time frame close. If we can't, or if we have a strong push, then yeah, I'm not getting in. Unless it does. So yeah, I'll keep my alerts pretty much there as well. But yeah, let's keep on looking at some more other stocks too. Unless the Qs want to do it, dude. All right, cool. Yo, Leah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. I mean, not the follow. Thanks for the gifts. JC, thanks for the follow. Yo, what's up, guys and gals in the other chat? I forgot I even had the other chat up. All right, so Qs, looks like we're almost there. SOFI, okay. Getting a little move down, that's what I'm needing. It's just been chopping all day, so if we can't get that break, it's pretty much wraps. How did I like doing the podcast? It was great. As you can see, you probably seen the video. I was nervous at first, but then after like a minute or so, I was chilling at least. But yeah, it was cool. I'm gonna do a lot more content, a lot more educational things too as well. But yeah, it was great. Yeah, appreciate it, Lee. Really appreciate it. So yeah, so media guy, he's the one that edited pretty much everything though. But yeah, it was nice. Does 1 month on the video look like it's creating a W pattern? Yo, Mike, what's up, man? Yeah, I'll definitely take a look there as well. So what, on the 1 month chart? Looks like buyers look... So, on the Qs... Hold on. Yeah, it just looks like it's not having enough juice right now. So, that's why I'm like... I do want to see if we can get some sort of closure above. Obviously, yeah, you know, there's times where you can pretty much see, yes, we have empty space. If we can hold above, then yeah, I'll definitely take it. But yeah, I can see these candles slowing down, so I do want to see if we get some sort of nice close above. All right, so I'm gonna leave this up actually though. NVDA on the 1 month chart here. So yeah, we'll see. And yeah, what a crazy day. I can't even complain. If I don't get any more day trades for today, I will wait for those end of day swings. I will be completely honest. So yeah, what I'm looking at here, let's take a look at it. So that's the 1 week, sorry, not the 1 month here. All right, so if this will load, that would be great. I mean, it definitely could, but I really wouldn't, you know, trade like that. I could see, yeah, looks like we're trying to take a little dip here. Hold on, let's see. How did you personally start day trading? All right, so the full entire story of how I started day trading is actually in that podcast that I just posted. But long story short, to basically, yeah, I just had a friend that was trading, And yeah, he basically taught me how to, you know, trade. And then, yeah, I just started studying myself, started trying to get my own analysis, things of that sort. And yeah, that's pretty much how I'm here. So, I mean, it wasn't easy, though. I'm not going to say, oh, it was a cakewalk. No, there were days where, like, I was just straight up losing. And I was looking at the screen. I was looking at the charts the entire day. So, same thing, entire day. But I personally seen it from my own standpoint, like, wow, he's actually hitting. Like, this is... And yeah, I'll just be completely honest. At first I was straight up losing. I wanted to give up too as well. But I seen it with my own eyes, like, dude, yeah, there's levels to it for sure, and it's possible. And now you can see, not just me, but also my members, what they just did on these callouts. And I'll be honest, yeah, some plays still may not work, which is perfectly fine. But when they do work, this is what I'm looking for. This is all that I was looking for. So, same thing, same plays. You can even see, shout out to Wyatt at what? 9:34 this morning. Swing trades. Look at what he's doing there. So, that's why I'm on live, you know. That's why I'm here to, you know, show you guys exactly what I'm seeing, not trying to BS anyone. And yeah, I'll be honest, if I'm in, you know what, last week, I was honest. I lost on a day or a swing trade. Cool, great. Who gives a crap? I know I'm gonna, you know, eventually get another swing, get some more trades. You can see what one member did here. Sold early, but still did great. Also, shout out to another member there. So yeah, each trade is going to be the same, and not just today. You can even see what we did yesterday, the day before that. I'm looking for those same exact plays inside of my Discord, the same entries. And so basically, yeah, I do pretty much all the hard work, Mods and I. And you can see even, this was yesterday too. So I focus on those high quality setups. I'm here if my trade wins, I'm here if my trade loses. But this is what I'm looking at. You can also see even yesterday. Thanks. How much is the VIP? Honestly, yeah, you can just, even if you just want to join the free chat and watch my live streams, you definitely can. VIP, I think we have, what, 29 a week, what, 100 a month. And then there is the lifetime and the yearly. But yeah, you can just see what we do here. You can see how we post our plays, how we post our setups. Yesterday, gave out the contracts I was looking for. If you want to go take a look at those contracts yourself, you can. But yeah, you can see all the setups, the befores, the afters. So how we were able to catch WMT, AEO before. You can see also the after. See AEO, and yes, I actually caught this live, so I will be posting that video too. So you can see the before that aftermath there. So Walmart, over 110% profit there. Crazy. And let me look at the cues. All right, cues, we're toying, so nothing to talk about there yet. But yes, same plays each day. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for, you know, 5%, 10% on a play. No, screw that. I want this. I want trades like this. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So, and yeah, I will be honest. Yeah, it was a long road to get here. So, and I personally knew how it felt to like try to figure it out myself, and everyone just giving me the runaround. So I just give everyone what I'm seeing. Obviously, in my Discord, I focus on the main quality setups, and you can see once we get them, what I'm looking for. You see how we call out the setups there, and then boom. Yeah, so same exact plays each day. So if one play doesn't work, cool. I could care less. I'm going to still smile because I know that there will be another play that will go crazy for me and, you know, for the team members and I. So that's what I'm looking for. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me stop yapping, though. Let me stop yapping. It looks like we closed above on that 1 hour there. So for a play like this, all right, so we did end up cracking above that top wall. Oh, thanks for the alert. Yeah, I will say, though, I feel like the Qs may end up toying around. So I want to see if we can still hold, or maybe I'll try to start if we can hold. But if we can't, I do want to see if we can retest here. But I think we might end up continuing. It's just moving a little slow. So I feel like it needs. Yeah, if I end up getting in this, is going to be a lotto for sure. Because I feel like, yeah, I get it. Yeah, we ended up closing. We're just moving so slow here. Yo, Rice Going Bad, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. That's a cool username. Rice Gone Bad. Cool. Actually, some rice does sound really good right now. So I'm like, yeah, sounds good. But anyways, I'll talk about some food after. Yeah, I'm not in these yet. I want to see some sort of reaction. Obviously, yeah, the chart says it's valid. It's just moving so slow right now, which is something that I don't like. But I think we can still make the move. There we go. We should. IWM playing with... Dude, I didn't even check IWM yet. So, we'll see. So, yeah, we do have this empty space above us. We still can make the move. I feel like it's just going to be very, very slow if we do. I like the 572s. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any plays, any positions. Personally, if I get in, it's going to be a lotto. Like we already made profits today, so I'm going to wait for the end of day swings mainly for my positions. Are you buying calls or puts? So, and yes, you all have to do your own research. Not telling anyone to get into any plays, but this is what I'm targeting. So I'm targeting to the upside here. So I want to see if we can hit those targets there. But it's just having a very tough time continuing. I feel like we can though. I'm picking my nose right now. So, I hope that's working out great for you, DW. I'm just looking at the charts. I'm still shaky about today. What happened today? You said, okay, twin. Yeah, I hope you're having a good one, man. For sure. It just looks good. It's just, it doesn't seem... What happened? Yeah, it's just moving slow right now. But other than that, this is what happened today. This is what happened on these call-outs. So right now, I feel like I'm not even in the real world right now. This is what happened. So a couple of members ended up catching a few of the call-outs. It was a great day. I can't even complain. After this, I'm gonna if we don't end up getting this one, then yeah, I will wait until the end of day swings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, we end up swinging end of day. Take profits in the morning. You can see now the rest of the day, it's chill, it's relaxed. I can obviously maybe get into 1 or 2 day trades. Maybe I'll get in one more. But yeah, end of day, the last hour is when I'll be back to look at some more trades. Obviously, I'm not leaving right now, but you can see the call-outs we had, where we called about inside the VIP Discord. And yeah, AEO gave the contract. So yes, listen to the feedbacks. I will be posting contracts too. So each play that I get in, all contracts will be posted too. All right, so let's see. Yo, Casey, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. I think we can, but it's just like, dang. Even if we do, it definitely won't even be a heavy entry for me. We already made my profits. I'm gonna, walk away, have a great day. So yeah, we'll have to see. But I think we can end up continuing. Did Target go back into the box? I think it did. So we can check that too. Yo, Riley, what's up? So what's the Discord link? So yeah, the Discord link is in my bio. So yeah, there's the free chat. There's also the VIP chat. Honestly, if you just want to join the free chat, see how you like it, talk to the members, you can. QQQ, we might end up continuing there. So yeah, you can even join the free chat, talk to the members. You can see what the call outs we did today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, yeah, Q's. Maybe a lotto isn't bad though. But did you trade yesterday? So yeah, I did end up trading yesterday too. So I get it. I know I was talking about all of today, what we did today. It's like, okay, what did you do yesterday? The day before that. So yesterday we had QQQ, we had Tesla. You can see a couple of the members ended up doing there on the queue. So this was yesterday as well. Yeah, the swings were great. So that's why I'm like, I'm not caring to get into any crazy heavy day trades. Like after my, I will be honest, if we get into some swings and a couple of them hit, I'll be honest, I'll take it a lot easier on the day trades for sure. That's why I do love the swings, and you can literally see that we get in literally like the last 5 to 10 minutes of the day. So yeah, in my Discord, I get it. Yes, we do this, the day trades. Obviously yesterday, we had a couple day trades. Amazon hit today. I didn't post that, but you can see day trades. So I'm comfortable with doing whatever. It's just what depends on what we can get for that day. And you can see a couple members, what they do in those day trades as well. And yeah, I'll be honest. Yeah, sometimes I have to stop out, which is perfectly fine. But that's pretty much it. Hold on, I have to take this off my screen. All right, hold on. Let me look at Target too. So I feel like if the queues do it, it's going to be like very slow. All right, Target. So yeah, beautiful day. Shout out to Jesus, man. Like it's been great. It's been wild. So yeah, personally, if I don't get any more day trades, I'm going to wait for those swings end of day. So I do see a couple good ones. All right, so Target, yeah, I think we did. So yeah, we did go back to this box here. So one second. Yo, shout out to Aaron too. Hold on, give me a second. So it looks like he caught it too. 1000%. Crazy. So yeah, shout out to my guy there. Shout out to also the ladies. Shout out to Fabi. So yeah, you can see the trades. I can't make it up. You can literally look at the other positions. You can look at the other members, talk to them. And yeah, they'll tell you. Cool. Obviously, you can see those Walmart plays before, the after. Yeah, we ended up going pretty wild. And it looks like it's still going to. So if it hits that 102, it's going to be a cake day for sure. So yeah, Walmart is still going. I do want to see if that 102 can hit. So right now, you can see what we hit AEO for the after. I know I've been talking about it the whole entire day. I know I've been saying it, but yes, in my Discord, we wait for those clear setups. AEO yesterday. You can also see yesterday, Walmart. So, and we get in those entries. You can see what one member did on AEO there. Crazy, crazy. Yo, Airborne, what's up, dude? Personally, I maybe one more day trade, but honestly, I do want to wait for those end of day swings. I I'm gonna take my profits and, you know, run, and then yeah, get into some more end of day swings as well. So swing them into the next morning. I still got a few left on Walmart still. So yeah, Walmart, you know, it looks good. Like I said, yeah, if we can continue, yeah, it's gonna be a crazier bag. QQ looking good on the 5 minute. Let me see. All right, we'll take a look there. I like snow, just expensive. Yeah, I didn't get in snow. Trying to get better at leaving runners. So yeah, personally, yeah, if you can leave those targets to hit, that's great. You need to. But I'll be honest, I do trim along the way. But yes, hitting those targets are, you know, extremely important. This is why we do need to leave runners, because I get it. Yeah, we already did great on Walmart. We already did amazing. This is why we, you know, we take most of it. You can see what one member did there. WMT. Obviously, we already did great on it, so there's no complaints at all. But if those runners can hit that final TP, that 102.40, oh yeah, it's going to be an even greater day, even though it may take some time though. Oh, the Qs went back into the box here. Okay, okay. So yeah, looks like we didn't want to hold. So that's why I was like, it looked good, but it's just like, dang, we wanted to go back into this box here. Back in box. All right, so yeah, I mean, we could end up retesting going to this empty space, but yeah, I was like, it looks like it doesn't want to move there. All right, so target. Okay, hold on. I think we did this on a 2 hour. All right, so yeah, it looks like, yeah, we did end up going back into this box here. So no, I didn't end up taking this one. But yeah, looks like, yeah. And if one play doesn't work, obviously I didn't get into this, but we have the empty space. We break above the wall. If it goes back into the box, yeah, I'll stop out and get that re-entry. So yeah, we did end up going back to this box here. So we'll need to see if we can get that rejection as well. Does Walmart have room to the upside still? And okay, so I will say it does. It has room up to that 102, but what I will say is I don't like chasing into plays that have already went, just because if it ends up reversing, that's a pretty big stop loss. But yeah, you can see when we pretty much entered, this was yesterday. Obviously, I'm looking at a couple other ones as well, but we know what our stop loss is. This little box there, that's what I'm looking at. But yeah, if we can continue, it looks good. All right, so we'll keep on going. Dang, that looks really good. Hold on, let me send it to the members, make sure they're. Obviously, the whole world knows about WMT now, but anyways, hold on. 1 second. I have to type though. Oh, I can't even type. It's cool. All right. Anyways. All right. So Tesla. Let's take a look there. It said Walmart to 101. Then, honestly, it doesn't look bad. I do want to see if we can get it though. Oh, not first. I meant to say final. Hold on. Give me a second here. All right, so Tesla, okay, I am waiting on Tesla. So what I can see here, and yes, we had a beautiful move that ended up going through. So I didn't get into that one though. Even though, yes, we ended up continuing for that flush. What I can see now is same thing. And I will wait for this. So I think I did this on a 1 hour. So 1 hour, oh yeah. Maybe I should keep an alert there, because I will take that if we can get it. So yeah, same thing here. We do have what? empty space under us. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the downside. So same thing of all of our plays. How we caught Walmart, how we caught these other trades. No consolidation. That's what I'm looking for. We end up getting in. No consolidation. We end up getting in. This is the outcome. This is the outcome there. Shout out to all the other members. So yeah, higher time frame. This is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for here. So yeah, low risk. Obviously Tesla may be a little bit higher risk since it's a little bit more expensive, but that's a story for another day. We do have the empty space here. That's what I want to the downside, but I will say we're nowhere close to it. I'm not going to touch it. We do want to see if we can get this nice 327 break into this empty space. So it looks good, looks decent, but personally just going to wait and see if we can get that 327 break there. So yeah, that's on the 1 hour. So if we end up chopping, if we end up staying inside the box, so let's see. So Walmart, if we're inside the box, no entry. Once we can get a nice candle closure outside the wall here, we do have the empty space there as well. All right, so SOFI, okay, cool. If your theory is the stock needs to fill the empty space. So obviously, yeah, it can end up reversing. So yeah, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. So no, not telling anyone to get into any trades, but that's what I'm targeting. So each trade, doesn't matter, not just today, I can scroll to something random. Like, it doesn't matter, hold on. It doesn't matter, this is from what? August the 20th here. All I'm searching is for this empty space once we can break outside of these Potter boxes. So I can't just get in just because I see the empty space. But once we do get it, I'm looking for the full move to the downside. So same thing, IWM. But I will say, so yes, I do want this full move to this upside, right? But this imbalance, so this first blue line, this first take profit of mine, this 137 area, this is where I take most of my position, just because this is where price can potentially end up reversing. So like, dang, what's so good? So IWM, so this one right here, we had the empty space, we end up breaking under our wall, and we ended up touching my first TP perfectly. But after that, if I can remember it right, I'm not too sure, but I think we ended up reversing there. And so yeah, I will love the full TP, but I take most at that first TP. So yeah, Walmart, yeah, this is why we have runners. This is why I, have a few left. See if we can hit that final TP. So if we can hit that final TP, these percentages will be a lot bigger, a lot better. You can see what one person did there. Empty space. Qs are a trap today. Oh, okay, the Qs, yeah, it looks like it's trying to trap some people out there. I can't find your Discord link. So yeah, the link to my Discord is in the bio. And yeah, we do have the free chat, the VIP chat as well. So yeah, everything is in the bio. We also did just put up that one-on-one classes too as well. So that will be a limited time. Hey, Aaron, what's up? Dude, fire, man. So, dang, I didn't know you had 2 accounts, bro. So yeah, my Discord will be through that WAP. So you can find the free, and yeah, the free version is there, the VIP version. So it's in that WAP. Shout out to Aaron though. Shout out to the ladies. So the ladies also hit as well. According to POTTERBOX, if it taps that, should the 3rd time. So yeah, the 3-tap method, that's also really decent. So we could still finish this move here. Oh, it says I have to subscribe. No, I don't think so. All you just have to do is just pick if you want the free Discord or if you want the VIP. Obviously, you can just join the free if you want. But yeah, and then yeah, I think you just enter in your email. Yeah, buyers took control, but is it another trap though? We'll have to see. Yeah, honestly, yeah. If you do join the Discord, yeah, you can just join the free chat, see how you like it, talk to the members, make sure you're in the right area, things of that sort. If you do want to upgrade, which you don't have to, you can, but yeah, everything's in the bio. But yeah, you can pretty much see what we did today. So yeah, today's more of a chill day. Like, we got into our entries, we got into our exits, we end up taking control, taking advantage of these trades. Shout out to one of the members, shout out to Wyatt. And yeah, we end up selling these contracts in the morning. Easy, simple target. So there's a lot of people in my Discord that, have families to attend to, obviously I have a family too, but but they can't look at the screen all day. They can't, be on the screen literally all day. So yes, the last hour is when we get into our trades. So you can see why we wait. Obviously this was during the day, but yes, we wait for those trades. So shout out to Aaron too as well. So Aaron. Once I make 1K, I'll join VIP. Yeah, no worries, man. So yeah, take your time for sure. Do you have kids? No, I don't have any kids. I just turned 24 in like May, so I'm not an unk yet either. So, and I get it. He's 24. He must not know what he's talking about. I mean, you just have to look in the games page, talk to the members. Obviously, yeah, sometimes I'll be wrong, which is fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Can I see your Walmart chart again? So no, I don't have any kids, any babies, any of that. All right, so hold on, let's see. Bro, you look way younger than. Honestly, bro, people say that I look really, really young. Like, I think I went to the gas station. I think it was like what? It was a couple months ago. I went to go pay for gas. He was like, "Are you driving a car?" I'm like, "Dude, are you serious?" He was like, "It looks like you're like under it." I'm like, "Dude, no, you're tripping." I guess it's cool though. All right, so SOFI, yeah, this is the only one that's giving me trouble. So, also, we still have the empty space here, but yeah, do want to see if we can get that as well. But yeah, I promise TikTok, I'm 24. I promise. I'm a grown light-skinned man. I'm a grown Blasian man. All right. All right. So yeah, Walmart. So yeah, I did this on a 2-hour. We do have this empty space above us. So personally, I did see this look, this 102.40. So that's what I seen there. So if we can get that, that's what I'm looking at. I do like having this nice body candle there. Yeah, I do take it as a compliment. I was like, it's cool, it's cool. Grown light skin is. I'm surprised anyone caught me saying that, but yeah, that's crazy. Yo, boss man, yeah, I think she's a young buck too. So hold on, let's see. I feel like the Qs can still make it. It's just not trying. Hold on, let's see. 572. Yeah, so if the 5-minute can get over this 572, I think we can continue. So this 572.18, that's what I'm seeing there. So that is a little bit more empty space that we would have to go about, just so we can get that. Oh yeah, let's look. Hold on, one second, guys. One second. Shout out to Lawnmower. He doesn't post his games in the games page anymore, but you can see. Shout out to my guy for that Walmart. You can see also the other members. AEO on the other trades, and yeah. So nice chill day. Personally, you know, if the Qs don't break, end of day swings for me. Yeah, I think if we can't get over that 572.18, we may drop there. So yeah, if we can, you know, it looks good, but we'll have to see. Honestly, I think I'll give Walmart another day. If we can't hit it, I think I'll give it another day. Unless like end of day we go up a little bit more crazier, then I may trim up a little bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get that sweet 102 spot. So yeah, we shall see how everything plays out, and yeah. End of day is what I'll be looking for, what I'll be looking at. If we can get some entries, and also a lot of the members are in here as of right now. So good work, team, with these trades. Crazy, beautiful entries, and yeah. So yeah, we'll have to see how the Qs will end up breaking there as well. How does Amazon look? Let me see. AMZN. All right, so it looks like we're above our wall again, which looks good. So 4 hour, 33 minutes left as well. So yeah, if we can stay above, especially get that nice close above, we do have that empty space, which looks good. So what I highlighted here. So yeah, I get it. Yeah, we did end up going up perfectly. Almost hit that first TP, but yeah, now possibly end of day doesn't seem bad too as well, unless we can get that 4 hour. It doesn't look terrible. Yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Walmart looking crazy as well. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I appreciate you all so much for tuning back in. Looks like the Qs does want to finish this move here. Hold on. So it looks like it wanted to just retest there. So yeah, we'll see if we can get some juice to finish that little move there. But yeah, not telling anyone to get into any trades, any positions, anything like that. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. Yeah, that 572 looks good though, especially if we can get that nice little closure too. So yeah, I do want to see that. But yes, guys and gals, I will be inside of my Discord. I got a lot of work to do. Looks like we finally want to hit that. But yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. Honestly, join the free chat. See how you like it. You can see what we do here. You can even talk to the members. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hold on, let's see. Dang, that looks crazy. Looks wild. Yeah, I think we'll finish it. But yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Thank you all so much for tuning back in. I will either see you in the live stream, my next live stream, or in the Discord. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.